Let us unbox this new Enelope AA batteries I ordered from a seller in Lazada. It's very well wrapped. It is excellent protective packaging. And here it is, the Enelope, Panasonic Enelope AA rechargeable batteries rated at 2000 milliampere hour. 4 of them in this package. Production date August 2021. So today is just March 2022, so this is fairly fresh. Made in Japan. I have no reason to believe that this is anything but a genuine unit. This is a genuine unit. The warranty certificate, and I have a free battery case. This is the free battery case, so thank you for that. Let's open this one up and test the out of the box voltage. One 1.326, 1.326, 1.326, and 1.326. All of them exactly 1.326 volts. Let's take a closer look at them. This is the positive terminal. It looks clean and neat. The printing of the label is very sharp, and the negative terminal also neat and clean. The branding, the details, country of origin, Japan, the nominal 1.2 volt rating and minimum of 1900 milliampere hour capacity. Now I am going to test the new rechargeable batteries with the 1.5 volt battery tester of my analog multimeter Sanwa YX361TR. Now, to be fair, the rechargeable batteries, the nominal voltage of this is just 1.2 volts DC, not 1.5 volts that the battery tester is designed to test. This is 1.5 volts. Still, let us find out how they perform under these conditions. The battery tester of the YX361TR will load the battery under test with 0.25 amperes of current, or 250 milliamperes of current, and based on that loading, the needle will swing either within this red bad stripe, the question mark, or the good blue stripe. If the needle will swing anywhere within the red bad stripe, then it means that the battery cannot perform well under load. If the needle swings within the good blue stripe, then the battery performs well under load. If it falls in the question mark, so that means the battery has a doubtful performance. Let's try the first battery. The needle swings well within the good blue stripe. So this is a good unit. Second battery. Again, the needle swings well within the good blue stripe. Also a good unit. The third battery follows the identical path of the previous two, so this is also a good unit. And finally, the fourth one. And the needle swings at exactly the same location as the other three. So this is also a good unit. So this is it. My new Enelope AA rechargeable batteries with identical out-of-the-box voltage of 1.326 volts down to the last a millivolt, identical, and also proven to be of good units when tested under load using my 1.5 volt battery tester in my Sanwa YX361TR. Thank you for watching.